Let us start practice set 28, textbook page number 59. Now, first question is that in each example below, find the ratio of the first number to the second. This is very important. For the first number to the second means first number will come to the numerator and second number will come to the denominator. So, for example, first number is that first example 24 and 56 is given. So what I have to do? First number is 24 is to second number means upon second number is 56. And as I told you, always try to find the ratio, not try but you must find the ratio in the simplest form. Answer should be in simplest form. So in this case you have to divide it by the means you have to find the common highest common factor of this two quantities and then you must divide it by the same number. So here which number is the highest common factor as this do you think? So you can divide it by the 3 also, isn't it? No, we cannot divide by 3. Why? Because here 4 plus 2 6, you can divide it by 3, but here 5 plus 6 is 11, so you cannot divide it by 3. What is the test of 3? You know that. So then you must know the tables or you must learn the tables, then only you can solve these examples of this ratio and proportion. Okay, so here I must divide it by 8. See, in the table of 8 you can find the 24 also and 56 also. Students, remember both the numbers must be in the same table. Okay, so if I divide 24 by 8, then 8 3s are 24 and 8 7s are 56. Okay, so here we get the answer as 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7, or they ask the ratio, or you can write ratio, or you can write in this way also proportion, that is 3 is to 7. Okay, in both ways you can write. Though they ask the ratio, you can write in the proportion also. Then they like this way. This first question you have to solve. Then you can tell me practice set 28. I think okay, second example I will take 63 upon one more example 63 and 49. So what I have to do? First number to the second number. So this 63 and 49, they are in the which table? Yes, 7. So you can divide it by 7. So what I will get? 7 9s are 63 and 7 7s are 49. So I will get this answer as 9 is to 7. 9 is to 7. Then third example, or can you solve like this way now, students? So you can try it. Third example, in the table of 13. Okay, third example let me take 52 65. So 52 upon 65. So you must divide it by, see students, you should know the tables, then only it is in the table of 13. Yes, both the numbers are in the table of 13. So what answer I will get? 13 4s are 52, then 13 5s are 65. Observe this last answer you should get in simplest form, means after that you cannot divide these two numbers, means prime numbers we get generally, or one is even and one is prime. So here you cannot divide it again with the same number, that is called the simplest form. Okay, this is the last step. So here you can write is at the 4 is to 5. So I have solved 1, 2 and 3 example. You now 4, 5 and 6. Example 4, 5 and 6 is the homework for you. Okay. In this question I have already solved the 3 examples. First 3 examples you must find the highest common factor and divide with the same number. So you must learn the tables for this. Again I am repeating, You should know the tables, then only you can divide it by the same number. Okay. Sometimes what will happen, students, you may by mistake, suppose for example 24 upon 56, if I will divide it by the 4 also, some students may it will divide with, they will divide by 4, then what I will get 4 6 ja, and here I will get 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. Yeah, 4 4 ja 16. Okay, so 6 over 14, if you keep this answer this way, it is not the simplest form again. So again you have to make it in the simplest form. What I have to do then? Again, if you divide it by 2, then what I will get? 2 3 ja 6 and 2 7 ja 40. So this is the last form which I get. Only once when I divided by 8, I got directly answer 3:7. But if you divide with the 4 first, you will get 6 upon 14. Again you have to divide with the 2, then you will get 3 upon 7. Okay, so you can go this way also. But better if you know the highest common factor, in one step only you get the answer. Okay, so this is all about the question 1.